This is Audra Henneke with the National Weather Service in Topeka, Kansas with a winter weather briefing recorded at 9 a.m. on Friday, February 28th. The focus of this briefing is on the winter storm that is expected to impact the entire forecast area during this upcoming weekend. It's a very complicated system that we're tracking here, so we're going to break it down for you on what you can expect through the weekend time frame here. We're going to start off with Saturday. That's when we're going to start seeing the first signs of this system moving into the area. Now, while the best moisture is going to be focused still north of our area during the day, on Saturday we could have a chance for some real light precipitation to develop across the area. Further north, generally north of I-70, that's where we could see a slight chance for some snow or some sleet to develop during the daytime hours. And further south, generally south of the interstate I-70 there, that's when we could see a slight chance of some mixture of light freezing rain or some light sleet throughout the day. Accumulations, though, during the day on Saturday are expected to be pretty light, maybe only a couple tenths of inches of snow accumulations to the north, and maybe just a light glazing of ice with any light freezing rain or sleet that's able to develop further south. Now, the best focus for this system, though, is going to be more during the Saturday night through Sunday time frame. That's when we're going to expect that best precipitation to start shifting southward into our area. And we can see from the right graphic here that in the areas highlighted in blue during the Saturday night through Sunday time frame, that's where we're expecting the best chances for some heavy snow as well as some sleet to develop. And further south, that's where we have a better chance of seeing more of a mixture of some snow and sleet developing through that period. And could be seeing some moderate to heavy bands set up across the area. However, there's still a lot of uncertainty in where exactly any of those bands might set up and how long they're going to be sitting across our area. And as we head into the evening hours Sunday night, that's when we're expecting to start seeing this precipitation finally dwindling off, generally exiting the area from northwest to southeast across the forecast area highlighted here. But with regards to precipitation amounts that we can expect from this system, there's still uncertainty with the expected snowfall amounts based on this potential for some mixed precipitation to be a part of this system. So snowfall ranges are generally 3 to 8 inches that we are predicting at this time. And with the potential for some mixed precipitation, we could also see upwards of around a ½ inch of sleet accumulation. Certainly not out of the realm of possibility, and can't even rule out with any freezing rain that's able to develop might get upwards of around a tenth that's able to accumulate. As a result of these expected conditions, we do have a winter storm watch that is in effect for the entire area across northeast Kansas. It's in effect from Saturday night through Sunday night. So what sort of confidence do we have with the system? Where we have moderate confidence that the best timing for this precipitation is going to be during the Saturday night through Sunday time frame and dwindling during the evening hours Sunday night. Precipitation type also have moderate confidence that probably a bulk of the precipitation is going to be that mixture of snow and sleet, but still a little uncertain with how much freezing rain still might be able to mix in with this system, especially across east central Kansas. Location-wise, still have some low confidence in this. We feel that there's going to be some of those moderate to heavy bands that's set up, but we have low confidence right now in where exactly that is going to end up developing. And as a result, that contributes to our low confidence that we still have right now with our accumulation amounts. And dependent upon where exactly any of those heavier bands set up, as well as the potential for this mixture of precipitation. Areas that are going to be able to see mostly snow, they're going to be on the higher end of seeing those higher snow accumulations. But if we see more of that sleet mixed in, we're going to see a drop-off in those expected snow totals across the area. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on those expected snowfall accumulations as well as sleet across the area. So what impacts can we expect from this system? With the light precipitation that could move in on Saturday, there's a slight chance for some minor icing on roads. So you certainly want to be careful if you're out traveling, but conditions certainly get more dangerous as we head during the Saturday night through Sunday night time frame. Hazardous road conditions, as there's going to be localized heavy snow and sleet, in which there could be some moderate to heavy snow at times, which could result in some decent snowfall accumulation rates across the area. Could also see some persistent 15+ mile per hour winds, which could lead to some periods of blowing snow as well. This concludes the winter weather briefing. This forecast is subject to change as we continue to figure out the details of the timing of the system as well as snowfall accumulation. So make sure to stay tuned to the latest forecast updates. Check us out at our webpage, weather.gov/Topeka, as well as updates on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.